I'm Dr. Paromita Sanatani from Athena Eye Care, Kolkata. Many of the children that come into my clinic are myopic, and the most common question that their parents have is, can we get rid of these glasses? Or if not, can we at least stop the power from increasing? Now, myopia occurs due to a combination of both genetic and environmental factors. The genetics we don't have any hold over. But it's been seen that the prevalence of myopia in the United States and America and Europe has almost doubled over the past 50 years. And this increase is very difficult to explain by genetic factors alone. So what are the environmental factors? The number one environmental factor is exposure to sunlight and outdoor activities. It's been seen that children who are exposed to the sun and who play outdoors develop myopia later, and their myopia does not progress as rapidly as their counterparts who stay indoors. The second important factor, environmental, is increased near activity. It has been seen that children who spend a lot of time with near activities, playing on their laptop or smartphones, tend to have a greater increase of myopia. The correlation is not very strong because it's also thought that it may be because they also spend less time outdoors. But whatever, this is a definite cause. Another thing that I must mention when I'm talking about the progression of myopia is the use of 0.01% atropine. This does not cause dilatation of the pupil, it does not cause blurring of the vision, but it is seen that 0.01% atropine does cause a significant slowing down of the progression of myopia. But of course, this is not for the parents, this is for the ophthalmologist to prescribe. So what is the take-home message? What can you as parents do? Number one is to increase the outdoor activities. During lockdown, I know that this is very difficult, but in India, we do have access to our rooftops generally. Or if not, we have very well lit verandas, and we can encourage our children to play on the verandas or to play outside on the rooftop. And secondly, the use of smartphones and the constant use of these electronic devices. Some use of smartphones is inevitable during lockdown. They have online classes. But during their leisure time, we can maybe encourage them to join us, to help us with our household chores, maybe to encourage family activities. But these are the two things that I know it is very difficult during lockdown, but these are the two things that I think as parents you can do to help reduce myopia to some degree at least. Thank you.